and welcome. Online shopping can be tricky sometimes. So you see one kind of product in the site and when you receive, you find a totally different product. Feel like returning it, but how do you initiate return? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can return an Amazon product once you've received it. And in today's video, we're gonna see it using QR code. So in order to return, you first need to log into your account, and on the top section to the right of it, you can see returns and orders. Let's select it, and in this page, all your orders will be displayed. Ones that have been delivered and those that have not. So select the ones that have been delivered and it will be displaying a page like this one. On the right side, you can see return or replace items. So if you click on it and follow the prompts, in your email, you will receive a QR code and instruction. After that, along with the QR code, you have to take the item to the participating Amazon Hubs counter. You can find the nearest hub counter in the link I'll give in the description. Now, in the hub counter associate, you need to show your QR code and return the item, but make sure that you have properly packaged the item. And during this whole process, if you come across something like level free or box free option, do select it. Alright, since it is level free or box free, the counter will place the item in a packaging bag and also apply a return label and send it back to Amazon. Now you know how to return in Amazon using QR code. If you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.